I have to run back round, guys, because I've left my helmet in there. Fucking crap. Can't. Can't believe I've done this. Bastard. Going to do whip over, is he, Mike? My man Mike, he's gone to get my old Lydio. After all that bushwhacking, we could have just come this way. As usual, guys, we always find the hard way round. Because that's the way we are. Hey.
Problem solved, mate.
Mapley's only got an eye. Oh, we'll go down in the end of the car park. Yeah, down here, man. Jump in down there. No? Oh no, because you won't be able to get in. That was only the hole in, wasn't it? Eh? No, we're gonna have to go through that hole, innit?
Open entry.
Here we go. You do your alarm on your bike.
So anyone touches yours, mine will go through.
Maybe. Hold on a minute. I think, guys, got a torch. Check all the receipts out, bro.
How much do you reckon this length?
Huh?
How much do you reckon this length will be?
Couple of quid, 'cause that's hardcore.
Today.
Yeah, it's hardcore. This is where, you know.
It's a fucking few quid.
Quite, 'cause it's supposed to be going on YouTube, you know. Don't worry, we're not stressing the place out, we're just saying about the copper in here.
Surprised you haven't been stripped.
Mikey trying to make up for his mistakes now. Keep the deal. It's just a little room.
It's gotta be a fucking... Gotta be another way in it. Oh, yeah, the windows got all the damn ones out. Oh, isn't bad, that?
I'd probably push them back out anyway. Well guys, just come out from the underground car park. I'm just trying to find reception because we're having trouble like with one of my Hoover appliances. So just gonna make our way now to reception. Straight in there now. Just have a case by you in a minute. See what I mean there? The other part of it. Then actually found the way in. What? Huh? Yeah.
Even down there.
Yeah. Fucking huge, bro. Bro. Right then. So we need to go. This. They're all going to be the same, innit? Electrical testing area. Staircase here, where I find that info. Check the mouse. Other walkway, yeah. Spiral. You've got to get up on the roof anyway, because I've seen them up on there. I don't know if that was the other side though. The building has been dropped. go straight over to that side then.
Is all that there?
I'm not sure. I think that's what's being used. Well, we can do it. I'm gonna go out there and walk do middle. Should we do top and then back down the middle?
Work out down there.
Fuck all at the bottom path and then ruins anyway, innit?
Should be a week.
Well, set of ladders anyway.
By the car, they'd be coming with me.
I know.
Bro, just looking at me, I'll put myself there. Fuck.
I can smell all the shit. Look at it. Let's get out here. It's fucking dangerous to be breathing all this shit. Try this then. Mine was pretty bad. Pigeon. Check the old road out, bro. Check the old. Okay, we came here just too late because all that's knocked down now.
Mr. Macklin, could I use this tube in a nice Hoover for $29.99?
No, thank you. Seen the Hoovers, they're fucking shit.
Get the fuck out, man. Fucking hell. Flat City. Sounds like the fucking stuff out of that.
I reckon that was a staircase to go up. Oh no. Hey, hey, hey.
top of the baby just ran behind there.
Little window washer pulley system. There's 2 baby gulls in here. 2 baby gulls. Yeah. No, look at this.
Well, that's a window washing crate.
Yeah. Got stairs, got things to go down. There's a door there. A door there. That's where the seagulls went in there. I'm gonna walk over there because I'm gonna chase them all out, aren't I? Right, is it in down? Look at that, man.
Yeah.
They'll be in wherever this but underneath us is then. It's alright, I'm not gonna do nothing. Go up another level. Going up, sir?
Oh, you can't. Maybe a fuck out of there.
You're on top of the world. Danger, floor unsafe. Back down the ladder, is it?
What's with it? Yeah, bed, place. Want some drink.
That door's closed off. Oh, these false floors.
Bit tricky, stripped hard, but probably not much of copper there. It's a good 30 sort of bit of copper in on it.
Yeah. Electrical points in the floor.
Check that. No, it's good.
Bless. Check out the washing machine instructions on the floor. Important safety notice.
Washing machine belongs to the thousand. Check out the APV over.
Micrometer.
Water gauge.
Yeah. Funky ass smell, but yeah. Just a room. Dude, that goes right over to the other side, don't you hear me?
Back to the beginning. It's even
No.
from the outside, isn't it? Well, this is not where we came in.
No. Be along here somewhere. Hang on, there's the steps. Come on. Might be over that side there, mate. To the left of us. Okay, now. Check it out, Mike. Check the control box, and it's got a frequency in it, unless it's jammed.
Yo.
Such a volts, bro. Lock through this door. Yeah, down here. He popped up by there somewhere. Here's Carl Pickleton.
Oh yeah.
True, I didn't walk up there, no. Shutters. Oh. It was locked on here. Must be the main entrance by here, yeah? Oh no. Stairs now. Reception, yeah. Pretty much it, guys. Not really a lot, not really exciting. Didn't get my juices flowing.